yung chapter 5 ng qualitative research natin, phenomenology, conclusions and recommendations. This chapter presents the summary of findings. We have the conclusions and the future directions of the study. Nasa chapter 5. Sa summary natin, the study focused on young street vendors' experience on selling their goods in the street. And then balik tayo dun sa statement of the problem. What have the participants experienced in selling their goods in the street? How have the participants benefited from selling on the street daily? Okay, so the significant findings of the study are as follows. Okay, so number 1, ulitin lang din yung statement of the problem as to what have the participants experienced. And then the first part, after reading, rereading, and analyzing, reflecting on the verbatim interview transcriptions, the first number theme were formulated describing the experiences of young street vendors. So, parang sinasummarize lang natin yung themes na nanggaling dun sa chapter 4. Number 2, as to how have the participants benefit from selling on street daily. So, the second group of themes, they are theme number 4 reveals the young street vendors benefit in different ways, such as helping sustain the needs of their family. Okay. Theme number 5 stated ways and strategies that each street vendors use to sell their goods to people. Okay. So, pag sinabi namang essence, this is, ito yung outcome base dun sa result na rin, nung parang reflection na rin ng mga researcher, base dun sa result nung ginawa nilang study.